Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. Super simple to do. I can take this to the ground, look here, using only my index finger. On this particular conversion, I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can lift this ramp up with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. 56 inches of room coming inside. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Does have 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or made for a gurney or a stretcher. Between the second row of seats, 21 inches of room. A lot of times the smaller chairs will slide right up in here. The bigger chairs, the passengers' knees or legs can sit in between and the bottom slightly behind them. We've got seats that'll flip up on their side. We can always remove a seat to make more room if you choose. There's no one size fits all, so tell us your measurements, tell us what you need. We can help customize this van to meet your needs. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync your phone. Dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for your auxiliary, for your plug-ins. And we do give a free set of pull tie downs away with each van, Q-straints. So when you come back out, got everybody secure. Look there, pick it back up. Shut it down and you're ready to roll. Quick walk around to the van. It's got tinted windows in the rear. 4 brand new prime weld tires on it, so 4 new tires. Paint shines, very clean. I see a real tiny little scuff down here. Looks like someone put a little bit of touch-up paint there. Overall though, it's not a perfect van, but it's very clean, been very well taken care of. It is hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. Everything up on the roof looks good. Overall though, super clean van. I'm very happy with it. And I know you will be too. In the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. This one shows no accidents or damage, 2 owners, 8 service history records, last owned in Texas. So not a flood, salt, snow area, nothing like that. Shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. You can see the vehicle has service records as well, so they've kept it serviced. And also check out our reputation. Look us up on eBay. We have 840 transactions. We've never received negative feedback. That means we did 840 deals. 840 people said we did them right. Look us up on Google, and no matter who you're buying from, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company, first of all. Look at their reviews. We have 4.7 out of 5-star reviews. Look at all the great things people are saying about us. As far as the rest of the interior, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. I don't smell any signs of smoke or unused rotors in this van. Back seats are very clean as well, so this will hold 2 up front, 2 in the second row. We can always add a 3rd row if necessary. Current miles, 67,633. And as you can see, there's no check engine lights on, no dummy lights, no airbag lights, so that's all good. Got your backup camera, that's a great safety feature to have. And we've tested everything big and small. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me, the power mirrors, power mirror there, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, radio. This is not some van we send out to you or you come look at and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. Try to shoot you straight so you know exactly what I know about this van. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. This van has the 5-year, well, it's expired on the 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, so that's expired, but everything underneath looks clean. No signs of any damage, no signs of any flood damage, no leaks. I don't see any bent metal from an accident. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it only has 67,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks good in pictures. They assume because the salesman's nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And I tell you what, Go to my competition, look at their website. Do they show pictures, much less a video of the undercarriage? You know, and salt and rust are a major issue on used vehicles. So a lot of our competition, they're buying these from New York, Chicago, up in the Rust Belt, and they're selling you rusted out units, and you never know about it because they don't show you pictures, and you don't ask. You better ask. Rust is a bad thing. I don't want anything to do with a real rusty vehicle. Also, know who you're buying from. Demand a Carfax report. Demand a detailed video like this, and you look up yourself, see the reputation. If you don't do those 3 things, you are asking for trouble. I've been doing this 10 years. I know what to look for, so even if you don't buy from me, demand those 3 things, and if they won't provide them, I would turn and run the other direction. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, so give it some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, the steering wheel is nice and straight, it drives nicely down the highway. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle, so protect your investment. That's the best advice I can give you. Protect your investment. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about those, and also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, then you have to factor in shipping. We have free shipping. You know, pay for their shipping, document fees, tag fees. You know, they don't tell you the real price. They got a $500 fee they don't tell you about, and then a $200 fee here, and another $49 here and there. And my question to you is someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, you know, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues, salvage title, flood damage? You know, I don't know. But if you're not telling me the actual price, if you're trying to slip in all these made-up fees just to get more money out of me, I can promise you there's something else that you're probably hiding from me, and I don't want to do business with you. And hey, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. It's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got my cell phone number. I am the owner. Hey, talk to our competition. Ask them, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Ask those big companies if they're committed enough to customer service to do that. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if you're old school, if computers aren't your thing, that's okay. Let me know. Give me a call. We can take an application over the phone. That's not a problem. And to see our entire inventory with detailed videos, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. I'm going to give the van a hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, all exactly what we're looking for. And we do take trade-ins, by the way. Talk to me about how those work. We can even take those from across the country. We've got a system set up to take care of all that. So, and as always, I just want to say thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.